In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Linktree link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a link from your Linktree so it no longer appears on your public profile. I'll walk you through the process clearly, point out what to look for on the screen, and share a few quick tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Start by opening your Linktree admin area. You can go directly to the Links Manager page in your browser. If you're not already signed in, Linktree will prompt you to log in first. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. The page we want is dedicated to managing the links that appear on your public Linktree, so this is where all the changes you make will instantly reflect for your visitors. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the navigation menu. Click the option labeled Links. This takes you to the list of all your active and inactive links. If you already started on this page, that's perfect. You're in the right spot. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you manage quite a few links. Now, locate the specific link you want to remove. You can scroll through the list and you'll see each link displayed with its title and a small preview. Take a moment to double check you've selected the correct one. Look at the title, the destination URL, or any thumbnail you added. When you're sure, find the delete icon next to that link. It typically appears as a small trash can or bin symbol. Click that icon. Don't worry, clicking the icon won't remove the link just yet. It simply opens a confirmation prompt so you can be certain before making the change. When the confirmation message appears, click delete to finalize the removal. This action takes effect immediately. The link will disappear from your links list and it will no longer appear on your public Linktree page. If you have your Linktree open in another tab, refresh it to confirm the change. If you're not seeing the update right away, wait a few seconds or clear your browser cache to make sure you're viewing the latest version. A quick tip before we wrap up, deleting a link is permanent. If you think you might want to bring it back later, consider using Linktree's built-in options to temporarily hide or disable a link instead of deleting it outright. That way you keep your analytics and settings intact for future use. That's it, simple, fast, and clean. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.